Why does this happen to me? You guys will not believe what has just happened to me. My tire is flat on my car. Okay, so I have to take Ruxar's car. Ruxar is out at the moment. Now I just gotta find where she's parked the car. I don't know how well you can see me because it's pretty dark, but I'm gonna go pick her up now. She's at a work do thing. Damn thing. Up the neighbors, why isn't this opening? How do you make this work? Okay, so here we are.
2 hours later.
There she is. What an idiot. Takes ages to come. There's the friends. Hello.
Hi.
How was your night?
It's good.
Are you drunk?
No, I don't drink. Crazy people.
So I thought I'd be changing the tires now, but obviously it's the middle of the night. I'm gonna get some sleep, but I will show you guys first thing in the morning when I wake up how to change tires. But for now, I'm sleeping. Alright, let's go change the tire. There's that sucker. Okay. First thing first, have to read the instruction manual. Warning lights and indicators. No, we don't need that. I know how to do it, but I'm just checking this to be safe. For driving, for safe driving, seat belts, no. No. For rear seat, no. Steering wheel, no. Interior features, using the air conditioning. Seriously? Emergency steps to take in case of an emergency. If your vehicle needs to be towed, if you think fuel pump shut. For reference, how are you meant to know if your fuel pump is shut off? You know what? Let's find out for ourselves how to change a tire. That needs to go on there, that needs to go in there. Alright. I was just putting it down. Ooh. I think this is the first time this thing has been used. He jumps. I was so tired yesterday, I didn't even get to go gym. Alright, I think that's enough. Number instruction 2. Observe the following precautions. Improper use of the tire. Raise the vehicle while someone is inside. No one's inside. Okay. So it doesn't actually tell you how to do it, it tells you the things not to do. Well done, Toyota. Well done. Oh no, it does say it on the next page. Loosen, fasten. Okay, done all that. Slightly loosen the nuts. Loosened. Done, done, done. Alright. Touch the disc while the area around it. Alright. You know what? There's the culprit. Now I know what's happened. There's a screw that's gone into the tire. That's why it's gone flat. Maximum 80 kilometers per hour. Alright. Now this step should be fairly easy. Although I didn't read the instructions for this part, but I mean the bolts. This way, this way, and this way.
Yes, right here.
What way do the screws go? So I'm just gonna drop this down now, and once it's on the ground I can fully tighten it to make sure it doesn't come off in the middle of driving it. Anyway. Alright. So that's done. Now for this guy to go in the boot so I can go see if I can get it repaired, or they need a new one. Fits perfectly. Well, there it is, guys. That is how you change a tire. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're visiting for the first time. Give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful to you changing your tire. And as always, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.